a shrimp-themed immersive indoor art experience called Shrimpfinity just opened its doors at Fairgrounds St. Pete. And here with us, we have Mikhail Mansion from Fairgrounds St. Pete and Felici Asteinza from MILAGROS Collective. Hi guys, welcome to the show.
Hello, hello. Thanks for having us.
Oh my, okay, so why shrimp? Why this beautiful creature is now this crazy, beautiful, whimsical experience?
Yeah, I mean, we love shrimp. We're from the Gulf Coast, so we love the Gulf seafood, and shrimp are fun to draw, they're fun to make, and we love pink, and we just know that this is a good vegetarian, allergy-safe way to consume shrimp.
I love that. Okay, and Mikhail, you know, we were just talking about the other exhibits that you currently have. When you got, you know, with them, with MILAGROS Collective, and they were like, hey, I'm gonna bring this experience about the mighty shrimp. What went through your mind?
We loved it. We're an immersive art and technology museum, and we're full of whimsy, and we love playful ideas, and we just thought it fit really well.
It does, and I gotta say that when looking at the video and all the different pictures, you really just dove into what the world of a shrimp could be. Could you expand on that?
Yeah, definitely. You know, we've always wanted to do like murals with sculptural elements, but there haven't really been a lot of opportunities that presented themselves for that because of a lot of our work is outdoors. And so when this came up, when we started talking to Mikhail and Fairgrounds St. Pete, we were just like, let's do it. And they just like let us go really deep down the rabbit hole with it. And Mikhail helped us with like getting these shrimp disco balls set up and like these projections. So there's like all kinds of cool like lighting elements that I don't think that we would have been able to pull off otherwise.
How about putting the installation, right? Is that the right word you would use? Like, how has it been so far? I know it's, you know, it's currently open and you guys are, you know, like she mentioned, there's a lot going on, but putting it together, what it means for you guys?
Yeah, well, Fairgrounds St. Pete is really striving to be a platform for artists to express themselves in really interesting ways, and so we collaborate in order to just, you know, build this really fun, whimsical world, and we let artists kind of just go as far as they want to go with it, and we try to support as best we can.
I love that. I really do, that you're letting, like you said, going through the rabbit hole. In fact, I think I also saw something about music. Is it incorporated in its original music to that?
Yeah, so our friend Tristan Whitehill, he's one of our collaborators that lives in Gainesville, Florida. He made us a shrimp soundscape where he sampled actual sounds of shrimps in aquariums and stuff. So you can hear like their little swimmerettes, that's what their legs are called, and like it's really fun. So it's like literally a shrimpscape.
It is.
A shrimpfinity, if you will.
It is. It is forever, right? And also, I'd like to mention that you guys have at St. Pete Fairgrounds, the hotel, the Mermaid Hotel. So it kind of goes hand in hand. Would you say that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Fairgrounds St. Pete celebrates all things weird, wacky, wonderful, and especially in Florida stories. So that's where we specialize. So we just, we love it. It fits in perfectly.
It does. And shrimp is definitely part of Florida's history. Well, thank you so much for creating this art for us to see. And it's only for a limited time, right?
Yeah, I believe so, yeah.
Well, at least a year.
Oh, it's going to be for a year.
Yeah,
great
so
news.
There's some time to catch it.
All right, and where is Fairgrounds St. Pete located at?
Fairgrounds St. Pete is located just right near Tropicana Field in the Warehouse Arts District in St. Pete. And it's a great thing to do on a rainy day weekend, so come visit Shrimpfinity. Perfect,
and of course we got all the information right there on your screen, Shrimpfinity at Fairgrounds St. Pete through May 29th. It says on there, but it's going to be a whole year. We just heard it right here on Tampa Bay's Morning Blend. For more information, fairgroundsart.com. Thank you again for joining us and creating all this beautiful art for everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.